everybody. Oh my god, look at the baby powder on my forehead. I'm using baby powder as a dry shampoo, but I didn't realize that you could see it on my forehead. Whatever. So it is 9:10 in the morning. Again, I am so tired today, and I thought I was like in the clear for these post breastfeeding hormones, but I'm not. I am still incredibly emotional and like weepy. I've cried already this morning, and it's like, girl, get your shit together. Like, stop crying, bulk up, grow a pair, all of the above. So I'm trying. This is another pink blush maternity top. I love it. It's really pretty because it's got the lace neckline. It's in this pretty lavender color, and it just has these little whatevers, and I like it's a sweetheart, and it's like a jersey material, so it's really comfy, and obviously when you're pregnant it will stretch, so I really like that. Baby girl is sleeping right now. Colin is packing up outside because he's getting ready to go on his trip to for NASCAR, which is in Michigan, and it's from, he won't get back till, today's Thursday, he won't get back till late Sunday night. I do work tonight, and then I'm off tomorrow, work Saturday, off Sunday. So yeah, I'm trying to be positive about it, but let me tell you, it's just not working out. So I got my first paycheck, so I budgeted what I basically do every week, and I would show you, but I don't want to show like my expenses and stuff on YouTube. But I basically just write out how much money I have in my account. I write out all of my expenses, so gas, groceries, insurance, car payment, if my satellite and internet bill's coming out. I put $150 aside for Father's Day, for my dad and for Colin, to get them something. And what else did I do? Oh, and I'm getting my hair done. So I just write out all of my, I'm getting my hair done next week because you can't see because the baby powder, but my roots are like this. So I'm getting my hair done next week, and I write down all my expenses, add them up, and then subtract them for how much money I have. And if I have anything left over, then I might spend, say, $40, and then put the rest aside for the next week, and vice versa. So I have about, I think, $200 left over. And I'm gonna take maybe like $50 of that aside just so that I can buy some sort of a bin or bins, because I really want to do a video and organize all her toys. I have to actually go through them because her birthday is July 7th, so it's in 4 weeks. She's gonna get a crap ton of toys, so I'm gonna organize them and sort them from like stuff she doesn't really play with anymore, and like she doesn't use that pink chair. It's cute for the summer, but we're not using it right now, so I'll put that down in the basement. And I just want to do a video where I organize all the toys, and then this area here, oh my god, look at the disaster. So I want to get 3 bins and organize that, and I'll do a video on that as well. So that's kind of what I'm going to put my money towards, any extra, and then the rest of the extra I put towards the next pay to help out with bills and stuff. So I did that this morning, and I'm doing laundry right now, and I think I'm gonna go to my parents' house for lunch when the baby wakes up. I'm not sure when she's gonna wake up because I put her down an hour ago. Sometimes she only sleeps an hour, sometimes she'll sleep, like yesterday she slept like 2.5 hours, so it totally just depends. But yeah, I have to edit a video right now, and that's about it for right now. So baby woke up from her nap, and we're just having a little snack. She was just playing with that. A little snack of some cheese and some Cheerios before we head out. I just put her hair in a, it looks tight, but it's not. I barely pulled it. It's actually very loose. And I did have a hairband. Where is it? But she pulls them off now, so that's okay. But it's so cute. I want her to wear it. So I'm gonna give her some water out of her little unicorn sippy cup. And I'm just getting her a snack right now because we're gonna head out to HomeSense. I'm just eating the last of those blueberry muffins that I made the other day. They go super fast because they're like a favorite in this house. So that's what we're eating. And Colin, we're going to HomeSense because I didn't really have a lot of money left over to get the stuff I wanted to organize her toys and stuff, but Colin gave me $100. So that's what we're gonna do today. These muffins are so good. Guys, need to make them. They're on my Pinterest, which is May 4 Daisy. Recipes on there. And I have them linked in the one video where I showed myself making them. I forget which one that is, but they're so good. And these are the prenatals that I take because we're going to be trying for baby number 2 very soon. like 10 days, I think. I got the headband in her hair. I just distracted her with food and then she just left it, so yay. And yeah, so they kind of look like horse pills, but they kind of taste like fish because they have the omega, but they're really good for you. And I need to be taking this if I'm gonna start trying for a baby. Seriously love this backpack. It is like the most convenient thing in the entire world. And I think it looks super cute. I'm such a mom. I have to put shoes on still. Things first, we need gas. I am on like empty. So, I need my glasses. HomeSense was a success. I'm so excited about the things I got. I can't wait to show you guys. I got lots of, where are my sunglasses? Stuff for her toys and to organize that cabinet area that I showed you guys this morning. So I'll do a separate video on that, and I found a really cute planner that I'm so excited about. Here's your book, Bee. She's playing with my receipt, but I just gave her a book. So my favorite sunglasses are in my other purse, but I'll just use these for now. They're okay. So we're gonna head to my parents' house now. They should be home a little bit after I get there, and we'll have lunch, and I'll show you guys everything that I got. Hi, Peanut. You got your choo-choo book? Oh, let's go inside. Whoa, big girl. Where's Mommy's keys? Mommy doesn't know where she put her keys. A little sneak peek of what I got, but you'll have to watch my cleaning and organizing video to see everything. You look so cute. Look at you. Can you say I'm a big girl today? Yeah, that's a truck. That's a truck. I just woke up from a glorious half an hour nap, I would say, and I feel so much better. Sometimes you just need, like, at least for me, I just need like 30 minutes, and then I was out, and then something, I heard a noise or something and it woke me up. But, oh, excuse me, I feel so much better. Like, so much better. I so badly want to show you guys what I got at HomeSense, but I'm not going to show you just yet because I want to do a complete separate video on it. So unfortunately, I'm not going to show you, my ear's itchy, everything I got, but I can show you at least one thing. I'm on like a redecorating kick. This room with all Colin's tools is driving me nuts. But I'll show you one thing. So I picked up my very first planner, and I really like this one because it was a nice size, like it's pretty big, and it says a girl should be two things, who and what she wants, and that was quoted by Coco Chanel. So it's just got, it's a 2018-2019 planner. You get all these cute stickers, make it happen, get it done, best day ever, girls night out, reminders, don't forget, take note. So you get a bunch of those, and there's flight, party, to do, date night, time to shop, taxes, workout, road trip, let's have an adventure, hair appointment, doctor, dentist, vacay, start early or early start, and there's different like quotes. So this is like notes for July goals, July to-dos, reminders, other important notes, birthdays, and then you get like the little calendar. And I like how this has like live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. That's so cute. So you get like all the days in July, and then you move on to August, and same thing with the notes, and then September. And then you've got next year for 2019. So I thought that was so cute, and this will just help keep me organized, and I can like write everything that I want in here. It's just fun and girly and something that I would really like. So this was only $14, so I thought that was really cute. So that's one of the things that I got at HomeSense. The other things I'm not going to show you because I'm doing a video tomorrow, and I can't wait to do it because My house looks a little bit messy right now, but that's okay. Just as I wake up, so does the baby. It's 2:45, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, she's gonna have to go to bed at like 6:30. So I'll just take everything upstairs that's on the stairs. Like, thumbs up this video if you guys always leave stuff on your stairs to take up if you live in a 2-story home. We do that like all the time. Gotta grab her thing here. We still have to stain these stairs actually because they have not been stained yet. So I'm gonna put his belt, oh my god, I cannot do this one-handed. Put his belt here. And I gotta take all this stuff into baby girl's room. Is that your penguin? Ignore my feet. Is that your penguin, bee? You gonna dance? You gonna dance? Dance. Dance. Yellow. Yay! Dance, dance. Show them how you dance. I think I am going to end the vlog here because I'm just gonna go to work shortly, and then you'll just see me come home and end the vlog, so I might as well just do it now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and tomorrow I am filming my cleaning and organizing and redecorate with me video, so make sure to check that video out, and I'll see you then. Bye!